Sit comfortably with hands on the belly. The breath deepens, gently massaging the organs and calming the mind. Lift both arms wide and upward in a large arc. The chest expands fully to support better breathing. Roll the spine forward and back while standing tall. The movement awakens circulation through the entire back. Reach one arm overhead and lean to the side. The ribs open to create more space for deep breaths. Fold forward with soft knees and relaxed arms. The head hangs gently, encouraging lymph flow in the neck. Step into a lunge and lift arms upward. The chest opens while the legs stay strong and active. Stand tall with legs wide and arms stretched out. The chest expands as the body holds a powerful, confident shape. Lean back slightly while lifting one arm overhead. The side body opens fully, helping improve breath capacity. Kneel and make slow circles with both arms. The movement loosens shoulders and opens the upper chest. Place hands on hips and gently lift the chest upward. The front body stretches softly without overbending the back. Sit tall and twist the torso gently to each side. The spine rotates as digestion internal organs awaken. Sit back onto the heels with forehead on the mat. The back releases completely while breathing becomes smooth. Lie on the belly and lift the chest using the elbows. The heart opens while the lower back stays relaxed. Slide the chest up and down in a slow wave motion. The spine becomes flexible and the lungs expand deeper. Lie on your back and lift the hips. chest opens widely, improving airflow and circulation. Pull both knees toward the stomach while lying down. The lower back softens and the belly relaxes deeply. Drop knees to one side with arms wide open. The spine stretches and the chest gently rotates. Reach arms overhead and stretch legs long. The whole body lengthens like waking up from a deep sleep. Cross one arm over the chest and gently pull it in. The shoulders relax fully, supporting immune recovery. Lie still with closed eyes and slow breathing. The whole body sinks into calmness, allowing the immune system to reset.